Jagtial, the name itself evokes images of rural tranquility and natural beauty, a place where the hustle and bustle of modern life feels worlds away. Nestled in the heart of Telangana, India, this charming town is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Jagtial is a city that seamlessly blends its urban present with its rural past, creating a unique tapestry of experiences. Located approximately 200 kilometers north of the bustling metropolis of Hyderabad, it is far enough to offer peace and quiet, yet close enough for a convenient getaway. Jagtial offers a refreshing escape from the city's clamor, a place where you can breathe easy and unwind. Jagtial is a place where time seems to move at a slower pace, allowing you to truly savor each moment. This is a city where the rhythms of nature still dictate the flow of life. Offering a serene and harmonious environment, the air is clean and fresh, carrying with it the scent of blooming wildflowers and freshly tilled earth, a true feast for the senses. The people of Jagtial are known for their warmth and hospitality, always ready to welcome visitors with open arms. They are deeply connected to their land and take pride in their rich cultural heritage, which is evident in their daily lives. Visitors to Jagtial are greeted with genuine smiles and heartfelt hospitality, making them feel instantly welcome and at home. Jagtial is a city of contrasts where the old and the new coexist in perfect harmony. It is a place where modern amenities coexist harmoniously with traditional ways of life, offering the best of both worlds. It's a city that offers something for everyone, whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or a glimpse into the authentic heart of rural India. Jagtial is not just a destination, it is an experience, a journey into the soul of rural Telangana, where every visitor leaves with cherished memories and a longing to return. Jagtial is a city steeped in agriculture, where the rhythm of life is dictated by the seasons and the cycles of planting and harvest. Its fertile lands have been nurturing life for centuries, providing not just food, but a way of life that is deeply connected to the earth. Generations of farmers have toiled these lands, their hands and hearts dedicated to the soil, ensuring sustenance and livelihood for their families. The landscape surrounding Jagtial is a vibrant tapestry of green, a living canvas painted by the hard work and dedication of its farmers. Each field tells a story of perseverance and hope, a testament to the resilience of those who work the land. Vast stretches of paddy fields dominate the landscape, their emerald green carpets shimmering under the warm Telangana sun. These fields are not just a sight to behold, but a crucial part of the region's agricultural output, feeding countless families. The air is filled with the chirping of crickets and the melodious calls of unseen birds, creating a symphony of nature's music that accompanies the daily life of the farmers. This natural orchestra is a constant reminder of the harmony between the people and their environment. Cotton, often referred to as the white gold of India, is another major crop grown in abundance in the region, contributing significantly to the local economy. The sight of cotton fields with their fluffy white bolls ready for harvest is a reminder of the region's agricultural prowess and the hard work of its farmers. The scent of freshly harvested cotton fills the air, a sweet and earthy aroma that is synonymous with rural life in this part of India. This aroma, combined with the sight of bustling fields, paints a vivid picture of the agricultural heartland. Other crops, such as maize, thrive in the fertile soil of Jagtial, along with sorghum and a variety of vegetables, each contributing to the region's rich agricultural diversity. These diverse crops ensure that the land remains productive and the community remains resilient. The agricultural abundance of Jagtial is not just a source of income for its people, it is an integral part of their identity, their culture, and their way of life. Festivals and traditions revolve around the agricultural calendar, celebrating the bounty of the land. In Jagtial, agriculture is more than just an occupation. It is a way of life that binds the community together, fostering a deep connection to the land and to each other. Beyond its cultivated fields, Jagtial is also home to pockets of untamed wilderness where nature reigns supreme. Dense forests teeming with life stand in stark contrast to the manicured fields, offering a glimpse into the region's wild side. These forests are a haven for a variety of wildlife. Deer graze peacefully in clearings, their ears twitching at the slightest sound. Peacocks strut through the undergrowth, their iridescent feathers a dazzling display of nature's artistry. Monkeys swing from branch to branch, their playful chatter echoing through the trees. For adventure enthusiasts, these forests offer ample opportunities for trekking and exploration. Trails wind their way through the dense foliage, leading to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. The thrill of encountering wildlife in their natural habitat is an experience that is both exhilarating and humbling. Water, the lifeblood of any land, is abundant in Jagtial. The mighty Godavari River, India's second longest river, flows through the district, its waters sustaining life and irrigating the land. The Godavari, revered as a sacred river by Hindus, is a sight to behold. Its wide, meandering course cuts through the landscape, its banks lined with temples and ghats. The river is not just a source of water, it is a lifeline, a place of worship, and a source of inspiration for the people of Jagtial. In addition to the Godavari, Jagtial is also blessed with numerous lakes and reservoirs. These water bodies, shimmering like jewels under the sun, not only enhance the region's scenic beauty but also play a vital role in its ecosystem. They attract a variety of migratory birds, transforming the landscape into a birdwatcher's paradise. Section 5. Views from above. Jagtial's hillocks and vistas. Jagtial's landscape is not just flat plains and flowing rivers, it is also punctuated by rolling hills and hillocks, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding area. These elevated terrains provide a unique perspective on the region's beauty. From the top of these hillocks, one can see the vast expanse of green fields stretching out in every direction, interspersed with the silver ribbons of rivers and the blue patches of lakes. The air is fresh and invigorating, carrying with it the scent of wildflowers and the sound of birdsong. These hillocks are not just scenic viewpoints, they also hold historical and cultural significance. Many of them are crowned with ancient temples and forts, vestiges of a bygone era. Exploring these historical sites perched atop hills with stunning views is an experience that combines history, culture, and natural beauty. Section 6. A pilgrimage to Kaleshwaram, where faith meets nature. Just a short distance from Jagtial lies Kaleshwaram, a town of immense religious significance and breathtaking natural beauty. Kaleshwaram is home to the renowned Kaleshwara Muktishwara Swami Temple, a revered Hindu pilgrimage site dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple complex, spread over a sprawling area, is an architectural marvel. Intricate carvings adorn its towering gopurams, narrating tales from Hindu mythology. The temple is situated on the banks of the Godavari River, adding to its sanctity and scenic charm. A visit to Kaleshwaram is not just a pilgrimage, it is an experience that nourishes both the soul and the senses. The spiritual aura of the temple, combined with the serene natural beauty of the surroundings, creates an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. Section 7. Malur, unveiling history and serenity. Another nearby attraction that beckons travelers to Jagtial is the historical town of Malur. Located on the banks of the Godavari River, Malur is steeped in history and legend, dating back to the ancient era of the Satavahana dynasty. Malur is renowned for its ancient temples, particularly the Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple. This temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, is a magnificent example of Chalukya-era architecture. Its intricate carvings and towering structure are a testament to the architectural prowess of the bygone era. Beyond its temples, Malur offers a serene and picturesque setting. The town is surrounded by lush green fields and the calm waters of the Godavari River, creating an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. A visit to Malur is like stepping back in time, offering a glimpse into the region's rich historical and cultural heritage. Section 8. The allure of Jagtial, a haven for nature enthusiasts. Jagtial, with its unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage and rural charm, is a destination that has something to offer everyone. For nature enthusiasts, it is a paradise waiting to be explored. The vast stretches of green fields, the dense forests teeming with wildlife, the life-giving rivers and serene lakes, and the panoramic views from atop hillocks all come together to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you are a trekker, a birdwatcher, a photographer, or simply someone who enjoys spending time in nature's embrace, Jagtial will not disappoint you. The town's rural setting offers a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. The pace of life here is slower, the air is cleaner, and the people are warmer and more welcoming. A visit to Jagtial is an opportunity to reconnect with nature, to rejuvenate your senses, and to experience the true meaning of tranquility. Section 9. Beyond the tourist trail. Experiencing the real Jagtial. Beyond its tourist attractions, the true beauty of Jagtial lies in its everyday life, in the rhythm of its rural existence. The essence of this place is captured in the simplicity and authenticity of its people and their daily routines. To experience the real Jagtial, one must venture beyond the well-trodden tourist trails and immerse themselves in the local culture. This means engaging with the community, understanding their traditions, and participating in their daily activities. Visit a local village and interact with the friendly locals. Their stories, their smiles, and their way of life offer a unique perspective that you won't find in guidebooks. Experience their warm hospitality, sample their delicious cuisine, and learn about their traditional way of life. The flavors of their food, cooked with love and age-old recipes, are a testament to their rich culinary heritage. Witness the age-old farming practices that have sustained generations, and marvel at the intricate handicrafts that they create with their own hands. These crafts are not just products, they are stories woven into every thread and carved into every piece. Take a stroll through the bustling weekly markets, where farmers from surrounding villages bring their produce to sell. It's a vibrant hub of activity where the community comes together. The air is filled with the aroma of fresh fruits, vegetables and spices, and the vibrant colors of the produce are a feast for the eyes. Every corner of the market tells a story of hard work and dedication. Jagtial is a destination that stays with you long after you have left. Its serene landscapes and the warmth of its people leave an indelible mark on your heart. It is a place where you can rediscover the simple joys of life, connect with nature on a deeper level, and create memories that will last a lifetime. The tranquility and beauty of Jagtial offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life.